You look so beautiful tonight. Yes, you heard that though. I find you so beautiful. A kiss. Oh, stop it.